If TikTok is banned in your country, here is how you can still use it and watch your favorite videos. Start by downloading a reliable VPN app from the Google Play Store or App Store. A VPN allows you to connect to servers in other countries where TikTok is not banned. Many VPNs offer free versions, but paid versions typically provide faster speeds and more server options. Let's see the free ones. If you type VPN and search on the Google Play Store or App Store, you will see a bunch of VPNs. Let's pick the Proton VPN. Download the app and once installed, open the VPN app and select the server in a country where TikTok is available. Connect to that server and your IP address will be updated to match that location. Next, download TikTok if it's not already on your device. If the app is not available in your region's app store, search for the TikTok APK file online using a trusted source on your browser. Download and install it manually. If you need help on downloading the official APK file, let me know in the comment box. Once installed, open TikTok while your VPN is active. You should now be able to browse, watch, and interact with content on TikTok as usual. Keep the VPN running while using TikTok to avoid interruptions. For smoother access, remember to clear your TikTok cache and data in your phone settings before logging in to your TikTok account. By following these steps, you will be able to use TikTok and enjoy its content even after a ban. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.